used to be my skin. This is my skin now. Why? Because I exfoliate my skin. Do you have a bumpy skin? Do you have a dull skin? Or are you the type of be like, oh, my products are not working, I am getting dark, I am not seeing result with my products? Are you actually exfoliating? This is a highly requested video. I made this video a couple of weeks ago and I got a lot of requests about exfoliating. Like, how do I exfoliate my skin? Which of the method comes first, soap or your body scrub? So I decided to make this video for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to properly exfoliate your skin to get maximum result. What is exfoliation? Exfoliation is a process of exfoliate your skin, so to remove your dead skin cells from your body. Why should you even bother exfoliating your skin? Here are the benefits of exfoliation. One is exfoliation helps you to clear dead skin cells from your body. It helps to brighten your skin and it helps to also help your product to absorb easily into your skin. It also helps with your cells turnover. So you see why you need to exfoliate your skin. You cannot be using your skincare product without exfoliating your skin. You need to exfoliate your skin to get the maximum benefit. We have two types of exfoliation. We have the physical exfoliation and we also have the chemical exfoliation. When we talk about physical exfoliant, we're talking about either the sugar scrub or the soft scrub. Then when we're talking about the chemical exfoliant, we're talking about the mandelic acid, the lactic acid, the ferulic acid, and the glycolic acid. This is the glycolic acid toner, this is a chemical exfoliant, and this is a physical exfoliant. Okay, this is a soft scrub, but you can use a sugar scrub, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Please use a sugar scrub, but if you have a normal skin, you can use a soft scrub. Okay, the chemical exfoliant is usually you use on your face because it gently exfoliates dead skin cells from your body, while this one you can use it on your body, which helps to also remove dead skin cells from your body. You can also use sugar scrub on your face if your face is not sensitive. The product you need in this particular routine is you need your sponge, you need your gloves, you need your scrub, which is your either sugar scrub or soft scrub like I said earlier. You need your kojic acid soap, you need your Dove soap, this. You also need a brightening soap, which is this. This is Ashanti papaya and honey soap. You need this. You also need your shower gel. You also need your chemical exfoliant. And you also need your cotton pad. I'm going to be practical in this video. I'm going to show you practical ways of exfoliating your skin. Another thing you will need is you will need a warm water. This is what I have here. Warm water. You will need a cold water. So right now, this is what you're going to do. Let me remove my wristwatch so I can show you guys how I exfoliate my skin. I've taken my bath already. I've done everything. Then you also need your moisturizer and your body oil and everything. I'll tell you guys how you do it. Just watch me carefully, okay? So right now you're going to cleanse your skin. I've already showered, but I need to just show you guys this video. Okay, that's why I'm wearing something open like this, so I can show you guys very well how to exfoliate your skin. Okay, so you use this and you're going to wet your skin. Okay, as you can see, I've wet my skin, right? I'm going to use this to show you guys this part like this to show you guys how to do it. You can take the Ashanti papaya soap and scrub on your sponge, or you can also use your Dove. Anyone that I've just found handy, I use it. Then you use this and scrub on your sponge. After you see my body is still wet, right? You're going to cleanse your skin. You take it and scrub your body. Then after cleansing your skin, focus on all those places that you feel that are dark, but please be gentle. Okay,
If you want to reach out to us, all the details will be in the description box. Okay, thank you.
when you finish cleansing your skin, you wash off your skin, then you rinse it off. So we are going to use the warm water to rinse off our body. So this is the warm water. Use it to rinse off. You can see I've finished rinsing off my hand right now. I've rinsed out my hand. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your shower gel and double cleanse your skin. Okay, so this is the shower gel I'm using right now. You take the shower gel and apply on your sponge. I don't like using hard sponge. I like using soft sponge. So you take it and apply on your sponge second time. We are double cleansing now, we are deep cleansing. Okay, so you take it and you know scrub. This is second time we're scrubbing our skin. Okay, this is what I do. Sometimes it a switch, like I do this, then I scrub. Okay, like you finish, use it and you scrub, like it cleans. Like this particular one now, your skin is like clean, so you're just like layering this second, this like double cleansing your skin. So after doing this, you're going to rinse it off. So rinse it off with our warm water. Your skin now is properly cleansed, very neat. So you can now go in with your hand glove and your physical scrub. I don't know why I'm struggling to do this right now. Like, so you take your hand glove, you're going to wet your hand glove with that same warm water, right? Let me wet it now. As you can see, I've wet my hand glove, right? I'll now take my physical essence, which is my soft scrub. I'll take it. This is already I'm already running out of it. So you see, I use my scrub. So why don't you scrub your skin? So I'll take it. You take it, then you scrub. You scrub those places that are, you feel that are dark, like your elbow, your knuckles. You scrub your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, please use your hand, okay? But if you have a normal skin, you can use a glove. But please be gentle in this process. I don't really believe in using hard sponge or hard things on my skin. So I don't know whether you guys can relate, whether you like a hard sponge or this. Me, I prefer using soft stuff on my skin and I still get the result. Okay, so if you have a sensitive skin, please use your hand. But if you have a normal skin and if you have an oily skin, you can use a glove. Okay, so we are done scrubbing right now. Then we'll leave this scrub on our skin for like maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on how long you can stay in the bathroom. Then maybe you can be either be brushing your teeth, or you can be washing your undies, or you can be doing anything else, or you can watch a movie. Me, I don't usually watch movies in the bedroom because I will not concentrate, so I just do other things. Then when it's time, I wash it off. So this is how you scrub your skin. You can see my skin is properly scrubbed, it's properly cleaned. Okay, can you see? So we'll leave it for like 5 minutes, then we'll come back and wash it off. Okay, we're back right now. We have stayed up to 5 minutes. So now you're going to wash off the scrub from your body. You're going to wash it off with that same warm water. Okay, so this is it now. Let me wash it off with my warm water. I'll take, then as you can see, my skin is properly cleaned. Then after I finish with my warm water, then I'll now take the cold water and cleanse my skin, like wash my skin finally. This is cold water. Then I'll take the cold water. You take the cold water and cleanse your skin. Like if you do this, if you do exactly this I'm teaching you, you're going to see results, because this is the best way you can do it. I've properly cleaned my skin with my cold water. After using my warm water, I use the cold water to cleanse it finally. Then that is how I scrub my skin. Then when you're out of the bedroom, then you can now go in with your body lotion, your moisturizer, any moisturizer of your choice. After your moisturizer, then you go in with your body oil to seal in all the moisture that you've lost during exfoliation. Okay, that's basically what you do when you want to physically exfoliate your skin. Hope this video is very, very detailed. Okay, so let's move over to our chemical exfoliation. So this is how we do it. I've already washed my face, so I cannot show you how. I'll just show you guys the process of how you chemically exfoliate your face. Okay, first of all, I use the Kojic sand soap to wash my face in the bedroom. After washing, I use koji sand soap in the night and 3 times in a week. I use the koji sand soap to wash my face. After washing my face, I leave the koji sand soap for like 1 minute on my face, then I wash it off. Then after I finish washing it off, when I come out of the bedroom, I'll use my cleanser and cleanse my face. Then after cleansing my face, then I'll allow my face to dry, properly dry. Then before I'll now go in with this glycolic acid toner, then I'll either pour it on my hand, then dab it on my skin, or I'll take a cotton pad and drop a little of it on my cotton pad, then use it to go over my face, especially all those places that are not even. Okay, I'll use it and go over my face. When I finish doing that, then I'll allow the glycolic acid toner to absorb into my skin, let it dry up. Then I will now go in with my niacinamide serum on my face, apply on my face. Then when it absorbs, then I now go in with my moisturizer and apply on my face. That's how you properly exfoliate your face. Okay, that's how you do it. You exfoliate your face and you exfoliate your body. My body is properly dried now, so let me just apply my lotion a little. Thank you so much. So this is it. This is how I do it. This is how you properly exfoliate your face and you exfoliate your body. So guys, have you gotten to this point? If you have, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So I don't just wake up one morning and get a very nice skin. I also did some work by exfoliating. So please exfoliate your skin. But please do not exfoliate on a dry skin. Make sure your skin is properly washed and cleaned like I showed you in the video. So the next thing is, please apply your sunscreen. Make sure you apply your sunscreen the next day in the morning. Please, your exfoliation should be done at night, not daytime. Okay, and make sure that you exfoliate like I showed you in the video, and make sure you apply your sunscreen in the morning. Okay, so you will not like go under the sun and get sun damage from after doing all the wonderful work you did at night during your days of exfoliation. You exfoliate 3 times in a week. You can exfoliate 2 times, but if you have a very sensitive skin, please reduce it to once in a week. Okay, another thing is, before you use your glycolic acid, please apply Vaseline around your eye or coconut oil before you use your chemical exfoliant on your face like the glycolic acid. Okay, which method are you using to exfoliate your skin? Please do well to comment down below your method, or if you know any method that will be working for you, please do well as well to comment down below. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please do well to like, share this video to whoever you know that this video will be helpful for, and please comment down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.